Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first painting class. I hope you are alright. I am with you with a new great painting class because the month of June is going on and it is feeling very hot. So today I will show you this beauty of a summer evening. In this painting, I will learn to paint the beautiful sunset evening. Just look at it is very simple and short, and this painting will become something in that color, and we will mix it easily. And we will also use this mouse gray color for the clouds and mix up very easily. And at the same time, we will use it for medium yellow color clouds, and we will use it for orange color clouds. Mix it very neatly and gently. Now I will use white color for the sun as we have not done the color of surrounding. So it is to the sea. The sun is a light shade. After the sun, mix light yellow color on the rest of the place. Now it will show the shade of the sun on the water below with medium yellow color, and we will mix it easily, and we will also use this mouse gray color for water shade. Then we will mix medium yellow and orange color and use it under it. Then we will use red orange color. And then now we will use white color for the sun. So it's ready. Now we're going to use the white color on the water to shade the sun for a straight line. Then we will design small hills with black color. Now they will also design small or large trees with black color. Now we will use the mid green color for the shade of the mountains. Now we have to design a big tree with black color, and with it paint in black color on both sides. Okay, now we will use black color for the bush branches of the trees, and we will make the branches of it. At the same time, we will make the bushes at the bottom. We will use also black color for the first. We will use black color here and there. We will color it green. Now we will make long branches and leaves of the trees. Now we will use mint green color for the bushes and grass. Now we will use dark green color on top of that, and at the same time we will make green bushes in the same way on the other side in front, as well as use red or orange color for the leaves of the trees, and keep using yellow color on top of that. We will use yellow color for flower on bushes on both sides. Now we will use dark green color on the bottom, and we will use yellow color on it. It will fill the bushes. Okay, now it will become a leaf for the trees. Will be good for now the leaves for the trees will be the color we will use for the bushes. Become a simple straight line. Now we will make the green bushes. We'll also use and will also complete the bushes with green and yellow in this space that will be left blue in the flowers. Now you can now see that this painting